Hey guys, Price and Mall here once again with a short video for the installation of Rottweiler uh, Transaver for the Duke, in this case the 890 GP. It will work for the 790s and all the 890s, would believe from the year 22 and above. Okay, pretty simple install, just a couple of bolts. As you can see here, I actually just loosened those up and adjusted this part already, basically lined it up next to each other, tightened this up, removed it from here, put Loctite right there between the shock and this part here, that way it doesn't somehow become loose. Now for those of you thinking or wondering what this is for, the purpose of this would be if you had a bad shift on the bike, this will actually, the shock absorber action will actually prevent a bad shift from happening, unlike this bar right here, which you're actually forcing the gear on the transmission to go to move inside the motor, that is. So this will prevent that. Okay, really good addition. I do have the tech pack on my bike, so I don't quite need this. Sometimes it tends to malfunction somehow when I do the quick shifter when it's engaged, but it hasn't happened. So it could either be user error or an actual malfunction, or possibly even an adjustment. But before I deviate, let's go back to this. This is a simple install. Okay, just basically remove these two bolts here. This will actually take number 30 Torx. In this case, I got a socket for my 3/4 inch socket here for the ratchet. You will need a 13 millimeter opening wrench and a 10 to be able to adjust these two pieces right here, and that's basically it. I mean, once you get these two with the this part right here adjusted, you could put those wrenches away, and you will need a number 5 Allen wrench, and you will continue to use this one here. This is for the new bolt from Rottweiler, which is basically an Allen wrench, and the bolt, and there's also a spacer. So you can see here now the spacer, once you put this together, this will go long screw, then the spacer, like that. Okay, and you will reuse the rear screw that came with the bike. Okay, so basically I already loosened this up, so you will take that out. That becomes loose. Basically goes out of the way. I could just get that going. So that's that. They will remove this right here. That will be reused. And as you can see, this part right here and the new part match pretty well. Now, just for the information again, just in case one of you missed it, I had to adjust it and make this happen. This obviously come in about the right amount, but I had to adjust it to make it look exactly the same. I'm already satisfied with the positioning of the actual gearing. Okay, so what you will do is put that there. You will align it. Just like that. Move this back. I'm just gonna make it snug for now. Then you'll take the long one, put that there, with the spacer, and that will go in there like that. Okay, and then at that point you could tighten up the rear. It still has the original Loctite. Do not over tighten. Okay, and that didn't get scratched. That's actually just a little bit of a dust. Then you'll take your Allen wrench, now don't forget the fact that the two bolts are different lengths. The front one, it's the long one, and the rear one is the short one. Okay, so that should be enough. You will feel behind this linkage here that it doesn't go way past it. It's basically right on the edge. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. It took me like 3-4 minutes to do this. This part is absolutely superb. There's no clearance issues. Everything fits very perfect. Basically, there's like 1/4 of an inch in here, maybe a little more right back here. Nothing will hit. Everything's tight, and that's basically it, guys. Just a quick install for the Rottweiler Transaver. This is the part number just in case. It fits the 790s, the 890s, like mine, the GP and the Rs, like the one I have one of the videos on my YouTube channel. So the part is about $90, and I recommend it highly. I know my son hasn't had any bad shifts on his bike at all on his 24, and I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna have any missed shifts. I already have one, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna work for me, and I highly recommend it, guys. So until the next one, and have a good one.